So I have two vehicles, as you know, that I do a lot of off-roading in. That is the Wildcat XX side-by-side I'm sitting in here, and I've also got the Buckshot X5 sandrail, which I take primarily to the dunes. So I needed to find a cost-effective solution since GPS navigation units are expensive, yet I wanted a good quality one. So I chose to go with the Lowrance HDS7 Off-Road GPS. Instead of buying two units, one for each vehicle, I decided to purchase an HDS7 mount bracket for the Wildcat XX along with an additional power cord. This way I can quickly transfer the HDS7 between the two vehicles. Here's the HDS7 as it's installed in the X5. As you can see, I installed it with the HDS7 factory mounts. Because I use the HDS7 in the X5 as well as the XX, I'm going to show you how quick it is to move it from one to the other as long as you have two mount brackets and two power cords. First, I remove the power cord. Next, I remove the zip tie. All that's left to do now is remove the two thumb screws. And it's out. And then we come over to the Wildcat XX. So as you can see, I have the mount bracket and it's all wired ready to go for quick installation. It just installs with 4 screws and 4 locking nuts. Next, I slide the door open. And there's a notch right here. And I take the screwdriver and I pop the plastic ring off and I just work around. And we get that off. Once that's off, I will take and hook up the power cable. Just like that. And now it's time to install my 4 mount bolts. Last step, snap the beauty ring back on. And you are ready to rock and roll. Alright, here's what it looks like installed in the Articat XX from the back side. As you can see, it gives you a large visible display without blocking your view. And what you see on the screen there is a weekend at the dunes. So that is all the territory we covered at the dunes on my last trip. Well, that concludes this video. If you'd like to see some tips and tricks on how to navigate around the Lowrance HDS7, tune in to some future videos to come.